Hello everyone, my name's Dave, and welcome to Hey, It's a Great Life. Today we will take a look at more cool tech gadgets you need in 2021. First up, we have Rubiks Connected Cube. This is a reimagined version of one of the most iconic toys ever made. With onboard Bluetooth connectivity and a companion app, the Rubiks Connected Cube will teach you how to solve the notoriously challenging, incredibly interactive puzzle and have fun in the process. Rather impressively, the Rubiks Connected app will also allow users to keep track of their progress and access stats to help improve their solving game. There's also an option to join a community of users and compete with them. Rubiks Connected Cube can be purchased for $59.95. Next, we have the Belkin Boost Charge Pro 3-in-1 wireless charger with MagSafe. This 3-in-1 wireless charger by Belkin is the most feature-packed MagSafe accessory and a must-have for iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro owners. It can simultaneously charge an iPhone, an Apple Watch, and a set of AirPods with a wireless charging case. Available in black or white, the accessory has a sleek design with stainless steel bits and a build quality to match. Belkin backs it with a 2-year warranty. The Belkin Boost Charge Pro can be purchased for $149.99. Next, we have the Razer Basilisk Ultimate Hyperspeed Wireless Gaming Mouse. The Razer Basilisk Ultimate is as excellent as a gaming mouse can be, thanks to a cutting-edge optical sensor with 20,000 dpi. The accessory can deliver uncompromising pro-grade performance in both wireless and wired mode. As expected, the gaming mouse has customizable buttons and lighting via a software suite, as well as up to 1,000 hours of gameplay between battery charges. The Razer Basilisk Ultimate Hyperspeed Wireless Gaming Mouse can be purchased for $119.99. This brings us to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. The stylish Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 smartwatch has a powerful and incredibly intuitive set of health, fitness, and sleep tracking features, including the ability to automatically track users' workouts. The timepiece is waterproof, up to 50 meters, so it's perfect for swimmers. It's compatible with both Android phones and iPhones. The Galaxy Watch 3 has an intuitive interface and interchangeable bands, and it can last for days between battery charges. There are 2 case sizes, 41 and 45 mm, and 3 finishes to pick from, black, silver, and gold. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 is on sale for $349. Next up, we have the Fujifilm Instax Mini Link Smartphone Printer. This compact photo printer by Fujifilm will create 1.8 by 2.4 inch hard copies of your smartphone photos with impressive speed. Available in white, denim, or pink, the Instax Mini Link can churn out images in just 12 seconds using the brand's own instant film. The nifty gadget connects to smartphones via Bluetooth, and, of course, avid shutterbugs can edit the photos before printing them with a mobile app. We also like that you can easily reprint the last photo you created by flipping the device upside down and pressing the power button. Fujifilm Instax Mini Link Smartphone Printer can be purchased for $157.99. And finally, last, but certainly not least, we have the Blunt Metro Wind Resistant Umbrella. Thanks to a whole lot of innovative engineering, the Blunt Metro umbrella was built to withstand wind gusts up to 72 miles per hour. Available in a multitude of colors, the product has patented canopy tips. which are not only part of its tensioning system, but also safe for the people around you. The umbrella is also comprised of fiberglass ribs and a canopy crafted from high-density water-repellent fabric. The Blunt Metro wind-resistant umbrella can be purchased for $79.